Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to screen record your Samsung phone screen. To do that, all you have to do, go to an app store because there is no particular application available on Samsung that itself, screen records your Android device. So to do that, all you have to do is go to App Store, that is your Play Store, and download this application or this screen recorder that is from Kimio 929, which is a best screen recorder compared to all, and it's fast compared to the already popular screen recorder and video. I don't recommend this. I recommend this one. This is not a promotional video, but this is the reason I have been using it for myself. So that's why I think if you are solely recording your video, so I'm already recording on this this recorder. There's a screen recorder. All you have to do, go open it, and here when you see an option of X that is in blue shape, when you click that, and the screen will start recording, and automatically you can see that as well here in upper section. My video is being recorded. If I want to stop it, I can pause it. I can completely destroy it. I can edit it whatever I want. And this is a way to how to screen record your Samsung's device free of cost and very fast to do. So if you think this video really helped you, please make sure to leave a comment below, and we will see you in the video. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.